Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and this is some of my artwork. I did a little bunny up here, and my fish up here that I colored with a paint, and I did this one with pencil, and I did watercolor on this one. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see them a little bit better. I colored this little bird over here, and I colored this picture here with the face, and I drew this wolf also, and this little flower here I also colored with colored pencils. It looks really pretty, and I have a lot more artwork. A lady again. Got it in Zoom, so I did the little bird up here and my fairy for art, and I did my little turtle with clay, so he's up there, and I painted my out table for my mom, and that looks real pretty. And I colored this little heart and wood burned these two, little bird and butterfly, and also my dove I wood burned. I got a little picture of a hummingbird here that I also colored with pencil. In my mom's room, I colored this beautiful picture of a peacock for her with colored pencil, and I did this wreath for her also. I hope you all enjoy my beautiful artwork. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Love you out there.